Hi there, game fans. It's time for a virtual reality update. Last time I talked VR, back in 2020, I was impressed by the powerful but expensive HTC Vive Cosmos Elite. But I could also see the advantages of the wireless all-in-one Oculus Quest. Well, now, the creator of the former is trying to beat the portability of the latter with the £499 HTC Vive Flow. HTC describes the Flow as immersive VR glasses. While other headsets are heavy and chunky, secured to your head via thick straps, these look more like a pair of welding goggles with oversized glasses arms. I don't play a lot of VR games because of how cumbersome it can feel to get set up, so I was intrigued to give these a try. First things first, the Flow isn't all-in-one, and it isn't quite as portable as it looks. It works through Bluetooth connection to your mobile phone, though currently it is only compatible with Android devices. You also use the phone as a controller, holding it in your hand and using it to point at things that only you can see, tapping and swiping on the screen to interact with the virtual world in front of you. It actually feels pretty sci-fi futuristic when it works. Because you can't see the phone in your hand, it is pretty easy to click on the wrong thing. The glasses also only work when plugged into power, and naturally plugging into the wall would make them much less portable, so you're expected to carry around a battery pack. So far, not quite the wireless hands-free dream. Another snag for me was the fit. Naturally, you can't wear your regular prescription glasses with these, but that's okay. I did manage to use the built-in focus dials to get a pretty clear image. However, I have a pretty small head, and these just kept slipping down. I actually had to hold them steady with one hand, which is a real shame because these are so much lighter than other VR headsets, and I can imagine how freeing it should feel to wear them. But if all that sounds fine to you, the deciding factor is content. You won't be playing the likes of Half-Life Alyx on these, but there are plenty of mobile-style VR games available, like Pirate Shooter, where you look around to shoot cannonballs at incoming pirate ships, and Let's Create Pottery VR, a gentle game about making pots of various shapes, which I actually quite liked, although it did feel like it would be better with hand tracking, which this device doesn't currently have. Other than gaming, the Flow also offers access to apps like Netflix on a huge virtual screen, and you can use it for work tasks like attending virtual meetings. Overall, I find myself wondering who the Flow is for. £500 is a lot of money to spend for light VR games and the ability to do things like watch movies and do yoga in a virtual space instead of a real one. It is a functional proof of concept, but with a poor fit and the need for external power and a lack of standout content, it isn't for me. Yet.